Hey guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to select and mask, cut out anyone out of a photo you need and replace it with a different background. So yeah, let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is go to the Refine Edge tool, the Quick Selection tool. Instead of clicking through and selecting her, what we're going to do is just click Select Subject, and then we'll give it a second. It'll load out a selection. Perfect. So this is kind of like a rough draft of what we're looking for. After that, we're going to select a mask, so click right beside the select subject. I'm going to go through here and make sure you have Refine Edge tool on, or hit R on your keyboard, and then you just click and hold and select everything that would be where her hair is, and you see it's pulling out all that hair that was hidden. Just fixing it there, making sure that it's showing, just pulling all those, making it look more realistic. Even the back here, get some of those, and yeah, there you go. So once you're done there, I'm gonna click OK, and now we have this kind of crazy selection. Now what you're gonna do is hit Command or Control J depending what you're on, and then make a new layer. Now that there's a new layer, we're going to add a background just to kind of show that this is working. Move this back. There we go. That's what it's looking like there with her hair cut out, and just a simple and quick way to do it. Not to be too specific on it, but yeah. So thank you very much, guys. Cheers.